How's it going, guys? I'm gonna show you how to take out a PCM for a 2015 Dodge Charger. First thing you want to do is unscrew this, make sure it's disconnected for when you take off the PCM, make sure nothing's broken. Helps just to wrap it up just in case if anything happens, wrap it in a cloth. Make sure nothing's connected. Then you want to come over here and pop off these 4 prongs, one up there. Take the cabin air filter off. Push this up. There's where you access your PCM. You're gonna need a 13mm socket to open that up. I'll be right back. Take it out. You're gonna want to press that little black tab right here, just to release the little red lever. So that's how you pull it off. And you do the same with the other. Send off your PCM, just use 10mm socket right over there. Take off this bracket and you're ready to ship. Thanks for watching. This is Motard.